Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be getting the new secret, which I don't know what he does nor who he is at all. I have 3 out of 4 of the death dice to make the secret portal, but first off, let's do a little summoning, a little gambling, you know? Yeah. So first will be Demon, so rare, Jose, nothing Jose, Tanzero, and Krillin. Okay, so how you get these death dice is there's a very low chance from all of these. So I'm gonna be just doing the ones I have currently and hope to get a death dice. So let's go off with this one first. Okay, done with this one. Nothing again. This is two. God damn it. Third one of the day. I need one more. That's it. Okay, just beat it. Nothing. Shit. Okay, third, no, fifth one. Assassin token. Oh my god! Okay, that's the seventh one. Still nothing. Sad. Eighth one. Holy shit. Oh my god, this is gonna take so long. So now that we have gotten Switchblade, time to get the last couple hundred kills, then Evo him. Let's go. Okay. So now we have Reaper's Roulette. Beautiful attack, 50,000 damage. Very, very cheap and nice. Now we have our next attack, which is Death Dice Execution. Let's do this. 300,000 damage. Pretty nice jump. 91% crit chance, meaning he's doing around 600,000 damage each attack, which is absolutely insane for a unit without unique. So then he goes up to 500,000, which would be his last upgrade. So he is doing around 1 million damage each crit every 10 seconds with 46 range. And you can place 3 of him. I hope you had a nice day. I showcased, evoed, and, well, I did that in the wrong order. I obtained, evoed, and showcased Switchblades. Now, please have a nice day or night, whatever time you're watching this. Bye.